Today I'll make a super easy strawberry daifuku. Recipe: honey 30 to 50 gram, joshinko 120 gram, potato starch as needed, strawberries 1 pack, anko, red bean paste 200 to 250 gram, boiling water 200 gram. Put water, strawberries, baking soda or pesticide remover in a bowl and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes later, discard the murky water and wash slowly. Wipe the strawberries thoroughly with kitchen paper. Remove the stems from the strawberries. Put 120 grams of joshinko in a bowl. Add 30 to 50 grams of honey. Adjust the sweetness with the amount of honey. Add 200 grams of boiling water to a bowl. Mix well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. Two minutes later, while the mochi is still hot, pan it with a pestle or stiff spatula. Cover the dough with plastic wrap to prevent the dough from drying out. Roll the anko, beans paste, into balls with your hand to a diameter of 2.5 to 3 centimeters. Coat Coat the mochi with potato starch to make it easier to handle. Using a spatula, make cut into the mochi equal to number of strawberries. Scoop up one portion of mochi with spatula and flatten it into a ball in the palm of your hand. Roll out the mochi dough into a circle. If you make the center higher, it won't make a hole when you wrap it up. The trick is to make it easier to roll out the edges. Place the anko on the flattened mochi and roll it up. Rotate the whole thing to wrap it. If the mochi sticks to your hand, coat it with potato starch and roll it into a ball to make it easy to handle. If a hole appears when you roll out the mochi, repair it by applying a drop of water to it, and then sprinkling potato starch on top. Make a cut in the mochi with scissors and place the strawberry inside. Finished!